Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright.
Ready to trade futures like a pro? Omnius Trades gives you the edge you need to succeed in this market. Click the link to learn more.
Trade futures with Omnius Trades and master your future.
Learn to trade futures with us. Get started with Omnius Trades and unlock your potential in the market.
Shout out to Luis, Gator the Malinois, our sub of the week. Not only does he call the markets like a pro, helps fix phantom order bugs in NinjaTrader, and wins eval accounts, making him an absolute legend, this one's for you, Luis. Glad to have you a part of the Omnius Trades and Futures Floor New York Open live stream.
Trade your system. Just looking quickly. Given the numbers, given the insight you told me about how it's doing, I would probably cover. if I had a green bar, just based on your what you told me, and I would go for 1-to-1. I switched from the 20. Oh, fuck off! I set up his chart 3 minutes. He switches to the 1 minute. Okay, let's go to the 1 minute. 1 minute Heiken Ashi, I assume, right? 1 minute.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Can I only use deep charts for Taurus Arena? What's the name? Deep charts? No, they got Volumetrica, I think is the name. Oh, we just went something. Hold on. Volumetrica. We'll talk about it later, bud. Can't think here. Heiken Ashi, minute 1. There we go. Okay. Boom, MES. What are we doing?
Did you get our message earlier?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know. Our message? Who's our?
Skeletor, good morning. I'll send the message again.
Yeah, I'll look later. Skeletor. Good morning, Skeletor. Edit string. MNQ. 1 minute. HA chart. Okay. Okay. 1,000 went short to profit already. Oh no, it's on a different account. I could put this on. Oh no, I'm trading, eh? I'm trading the open. Okay, well, I hope it shows up. Let's go back to your chart. We'll just watch it. I got my 5 lot. I'm going to take an early short. Yeah, I got that. 4 will be enough. Change my quantity to 2. Markets are opening in a minute. I'll talk it through. Omnius, you mind if I talk through the open scalping?
Go ahead. Sending someone. Yeah, I said go ahead. Sending somebody a message.
Okay. I didn't hear. I just got. Yeah, I see it. Lewis, he's in. I confirmed. I'm going to show you. I'm not running the game without. Markets opening. Okay, I'm back down to 2 lots. I'm going to switch it to 3 lots because I have a 2. My finger's on the reverse.
Oh, come
button,
on. It was kind of
in
funny.
case it goes the other way.
Tough crowd.
And the markets are open.
Wait. I got
going down.
Oh, man. Hopefully I got
I'm
it.
going to cover that. Nope. Didn't get covered. I'm reversing. Maybe it did cover. I don't even know. Oh, it's a good place to add here. Buy bid. Cover a little. Cover a little. Come on, fill me. 50. 44, add. I'm in at 47. I tried to get 44. Out. 48, that's a good place to add. 49, take it out. I don't know what I got on that. I don't know the numbers I get, guys. 64, 56, it's a good place to add. I'm in at 55, excellent, out. That's how fast it goes. We're gonna go short. Wait for it. Now, short. Ah, fuck, I'm late, see? Late entry. I gotta cover that one. Cover, it's a bad entry. Gone, gonna wait for a long. I'm off balance on the short. I'm off balance on the short, and it's going. It's okay. It's okay. Long, late. Very late. This one can hurt. 64, 53, add. Oh shit. Reverse. Add. Reverse. Giving it all back. Add. How am I long 8? Don't even know. Markets aren't showing continuation. I'm getting hurt. Getting hurt. It's okay. It's okay. Raise the size a little bit to the 5 lots that I'm supposed to be doing. Let's see, this one, 57, 1, 2, 3. I wanted to go to 64. 50, 60, 61, 62, 64. There it is. See, that's a late entry. See how that one fucks me up? $57, 48 is good, but no, not anymore. Come on, let's get some continuation. Make me look good. Wow.
Which way are we going?
I don't know. I hope up right now.
Look sideways to me.
57. No. $36, targeting 29. Fuck, it's just really not going at all. Yeah, I'm trying to pass an account. 50, targeting 57. There's a 50% chance we go to 64. There's the 57. I missed it. It flashed. Fuck, you see, and we're not there's no continuation. I'm long at 51. I'm getting massacred. There's no continuation. Okay, well, they can't always work out.
Run a consolidation.
Reverse to me again. Well, of course, the day you want to show what you do, it works like crap.
They're on a consolidation, just kind of going sideways.
Holy Christ. I quit. I quit. It's not going anywhere.
No. Best place to be is out of this.
This one breaks. Ooh, no.
We also have a kind of inverse hammer on the hourly.
Okay. I don't give up so easy. Oh, you don't see my numbers, guys, eh? Sorry. Down 15. I was down 2,100. Got some back. No continuation. Wow, yesterday there was no losers, and now it was just like loser, 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 loser. Which makes me look like I don't know what I'm doing, but that's okay. That's why it's not for everybody. Wow, I think we're picking up speed on the downside, eh?
I had a nice dump. I was buying it right back up.
That's funny. I just clicked the order 3 times already. Orange orders. That means I'm screwed. The good old orange orders. Can you see the orange orders? Yeah, there they are. Orange orders. Hanging orders.
And
I clicked close when we're down there. Yeah, what's it gonna do? It's gonna go against me, and then they're gonna open it up, fill me, and bust the account.
oh wow, I'm lagging by 24 seconds. Oh wow.
What? How come I don't have the lag indicator?
30 seconds. Turn that off. That's stupid.
Strategies. Cancel. I guess that account is gone.
Glad I noticed that. 32 seconds. 33 seconds. You see it right up here in the corner. Past that white text. That's stupid. All right, guys. I got something I need to do. Give me a second.
What's it called again?
Lag time indicator?
Yeah, is that it with an L? Nope. It's not what it's called. There they go. They filled me and took my account. Bunch of bastards. Anyways. Bull bar, bull, Camarilla candle. Chart lag time. Well, 0.6, I think. Yeah, looks good. Okay, that's one account down. Let's try the other one. I got myself 2 accounts for today. Hopefully they don't screw me. Let's take a little piece. $94. 86. Can I get to 86? No, gotta cover. Okay. Did a little bit good over there. We'll wait for some more. Let's see if I can pass one out of the 2. I'm budgeting 2 accounts per day to try and pass.
Nah, we're at.
The craziness is over. Let's get to Mikey's chart over here. Hopefully we'll stay green so you can track this one. The other account busted. You see it there, minus 23.51. They stole it from me. Well, excuse me. I mean, it probably would have busted anyways, but the hanging order fucked me. I did get it out at a profit, and I recovered from minus 21 to 15. I should have been at minus 1,200 instead. The hanging order screwed me.
Guys, I can't trade them. I'm lagging by 40 seconds. There's nothing I can do about that.
Yeah, it's funny. So funny, eh? And me, no, 0.5.
Good news is, I know the future. The bad news is, we've tried that before. It don't work.
There's an 80% chance we hit 25,000 today, eh? Based on the Asian session price action.
I can tell you with 100% certainty what my chart's fixing to do in 30 seconds. 100% certainty.
100%. I like those odds.
You can't get better odds than that. We're at 24,800. We're going to hit 24,795. 100% guarantee. Watching on the chart, watch.
Do you know if Lewis typed in giveaway by any chance?
Lewis, did you type in giveaway?
Do you know?
Mikey, Dorito pattern. What's the Dorito pattern? Making me hungry now. I'm I'm not sure. Lewis, did you type in giveaway? Wait, let me scroll back up on the chat, see if... Oh, wait. Lewis typed in giveaway, put him in the game. Lewis typed in giveaway, put him in the game. Lewis typed in... Yeah, somebody sent a message, said Lewis typed in giveaway.
Put him in the game.
But...
In all fairness...
Don't hurt to be sure, right? Lewis, did you type in giveaway? just want to make sure. I'm still 20 seconds, 27, 28 seconds behind. I
didn't like that trade.
What if I switched over to Apex? Would I still be behind?
That's unfiltered. I'm off. I don't have confluence right now. I have one telling me long, one telling me short. I'm gonna wait for long.
What is the X?
Then I'm gonna load up. This is my swing of the bet right here when I get the long. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 22. I'm gonna want to get in around 20.
All right, give me a second. I'm giving more tasks to do.
I hope this is the one. Lousy entry. Lousy entry. Oh, fuck you. This was supposed to be the one, but my entries were terrible. I'll take the $400 or whatever it is it gave me. Ah, that was supposed to be the one. I screwed it up with the entry. It was supposed to be long at 20, and I was long at I don't even know what I was long at. I don't know if you guys saw what I was long at. I could try to add a little bit at 44 there. I'll do an 8 lot. See if I can get a quick 10 points on this. 44. If I can get 54, or I have to stop out. 49, 46, 44. Oh, shit, we saw 50. No, I gotta get out. Okay, gave back some. Waiting for a long again, a push. Remember, I do have a theory. We're going up to 25,000. But it's only a theory. Ooh, wow. Nice dump. Nice dump. A few more points, and it's going to put my overall bias to short. Let's see if this one can hit 781.
I'm looking at my chart going up, and you're talking about shorts.
Mm-hmm.
Now it turns out I'm still lagging 35 seconds.
I'm taking a break a little bit. Not for long, though. Gonna look for a short. Need a little bit of a pullback. Dorito patterning. Great. Made me in the mood for chips. I want this account. 94. 92. 91, 93. 02. Oh, I don't even have the 2-minute chart up. I'm watching the other one. Ooh, that's a big bar to enter on. Hard to reach target, and the bars are that big. Yeah, that's it. I agree.
What she said.
This is an unfiltered long. Am I going to do another swing of the bat to the long side? Oh, man, I hit it before. 8, 16, 24, 32. I had a 32 pointer. And I had to get out because of poor entry. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 22 again. Same place. Same place.
Have it.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push. Push up, 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 up. Come on, buyers. Where's the volume? The volume's going up. I like the volume near the CVD. Fill me a little bit. Fill me a little bit. This will get me so close. Go up. Buy some more down here. Push it up. Oh, no, don't do that. No, I gotta get out. I gave back so much. I gave back so much. 152, are you serious? Okay, I said I would swing the bat. That was the one. Of course, the swing of the bat didn't work. This is my next swing of the bat, and I had to chase. Gotta get back gotta get back what I gave back. 7-Eleven.
I was trying to get in this long trade. Took forever to freaking load. Still loading.
Cocksuckers. Hey, look at you. Look at you.
Come on, Ninja Trader. We have faith in you. We know you can do it, man.
It had to make that pattern. It had to go up a little, come down, and then make the run. Took money from me. We'll try again. Hopefully the next one is good. I just got in early. Early's always bad. I'm not going to add.
What are we doing?
$40.
I'm fucking lagging 30
Do
seconds.
it for me. Do it for me. Push. Give me a fast push. Where's the CVD? Yeah, going up nice.
Yeah, Lewis, probably best to wait for this range to break. I keep lagging. I wanted to get in this trade.
1762. Getting there. Today's goal is we don't talk to each other all day. We independently parlay.
Looking that way, isn't it?
It's okay. I'll be there soon. I just got to get to 3,000.
Trade I wanted to take right there is fucking Ninja Trader.
I'll add a little piece here. 43. Let's see if I can get even 7 points. Hey, the 50 was good. 48. 49. I'll take that. Every little bit helps. 1874. CVD is still rising. That's a good sign. I'm gonna take a little stab here for maybe $100 if I get lucky. Nope, gotta get out. 1809, didn't lose too much on that.
way do we go? What's causing this movement?
I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish. Like I said, we have a target of 25,000. I'm in late.
We got a little part of the trade. I had a great entry and everything, and fucker wouldn't load. Could have loaded up. Could have been one of those $1,000 trades. Fucking Ninja Trader.
It's so funny how I have lag when you don't have lag. It's obvious we're on different servers. Well, it really looks like we want to go. This is a shitty trade. Shitty fucking trade. It's going to cost me.
Can't change the past.
I just want to get out. I just want to get out. That was a shitty trade. That was impulsive. Don't chase, Mike. Fight for price.
I'm not chasing Mike. Why would I chase Mike? Okay. No trade so far on this one.
Here, come back there.
No, there was. Hope if I was on the right short.
I'm counter trend scalping. I'm asking for pain.
You want me to play a video? I'll play the video.
No, I got out. I got out. It's stupid.
I love the pain.
I'm at 1987.
Because the pain is the truth. The hurt is the truth.
We'll see on my next trade.
And
Fuck, I don't
realizing
have to pass it by 10.
my hair is all going to fall out. My teeth are going to fall out. And I'm going to be brought low. I love the pain. Because the pain is the truth. The hurt is the truth.
One.
And realizing my hair is all going to fall out. My teeth are going to fall out. And I'm going to be brought low. I love the pain.
10 points. 74.
Because the pain is the truth.
Pain is the truth. The hurt is the truth.
Take a little bit out. Take a little bit out. One more push, 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 one more push. One more push. No, that way. There we go. 24. $600 more. This is harder than exercise. I could have got a lot more. That could have passed my account for me if I had the balls to hold.
I told you.
Yep.
Grab your nuts and hold the trade, man, but you wouldn't listen.
I'm getting close. You know what happens when you're getting close? Same thing like yesterday. You start to trade not to lose. It's okay. What do I gotta make? Gotta make 600 if I go down to a 5 lot.
I don't trade not to lose. I trade because I want to take all their money.
Yeah.
I want them to squirm. All those rich billionaires trading right now, they have to trade against me. I want them to squirm in their chair and beg for mercy.
We don't trade big enough for that. Unfortunately.
Way to crush a guy's dreams, right, y'all? I know there's negative people, man. Like, Like, way to cook. Way to crush a guy's dreams, man. Like, I don't have these huge dreams in life. All I want to do is like make some billionaires squirm in their chair, and there you go. Like, yeah, we don't trade enough for that. Oh.
Skeletor is done for the day. Another 24 lot. I need this to go to 20. Where am I? I'm long at 16E. That's so shitty. See, I'm not fighting for
done
price.
For the day. Unfortunately, I just started being able to trade. Okay. Already got 2 trades under the belt.
2,600. That was poor entry. Done for the day. Good job, Skeletor. Fist pump. Oh shit, I can get back in. Now I'm in at a good price. Now I can hold this one. Still targeting 20. I'll add over there. I don't even mind losing on this. Ah, you motherfucker. You went fast on me. That cost me a lot. Okay, they got a punch in. They landed a punch.
I don't know what the word counts are at today, but I think, or so far, but I think today tipped the scale.
Oh, really? You think you're talking way more than me? Ow. Fuck, I'm getting a headache again. No, come on. It's even.
What was even?
The word count.
For what?
Between you and me.
This month?
I can't see your order while you place buy and sell. Really? Oh, yeah, you're right. Sorry.
You talking about the day or the month?
I can see only P&L. I don't know. Let me get to 3,000 and then we'll discuss it. Yeah, I got a bunch of things going on, bud. There's this. There's this one. This one's unfiltered. Not crazy about it. But we're staying here. I'm scalping. I'm trying to pass an Apex account. I don't even know which is the one. Oh, this is the one. 2164.
Tried to break the range and then right back into it.
Gonna take a small dabble here.
Still think the Bulls are in control, but we need to see some. Need to see them stepping in.
Yep.
Also, 5 minute. We're still under the moving average.
Oh, I gotta get out of that small dabble. Oh well. Mike, I've been nonstop talking this morning. I'm sorry.
Actually, the 5 minutes actually in a downtrend. So we're getting conflicting stories.
I was talking through my trades. Don't be sorry. Don't be sorry.
Don't be sorry. Be glad. You know, like a Glad commercial or something? Don't be mad. Be glad. With Glad Lock Zipper Bag.
No, come on. Go back down. Go back down. You know, like in a poker tournament, sometimes you have to go all in. 58. It's going the wrong way. I took a chance. This was my all-in. I have only a few more points left. Fuck, gotta get out. That was my all-in. That was my all-in. I was hoping the sellers would come in. Okay, well, 26. I don't know where I am, but I gotta be careful now.
Man. Come on.
I was so close, I should have traded it smaller. Now I gotta watch. I gotta rebuild.
Ninja Trader, we're getting to the point we might need to start looking at a different platform.
Yep.
I
Do agree.
like Ninja Trader, but damn, can we work sometimes?
Yeah.
How was everyone doing this morning? The chat is pretty quiet. Yeah, chat's pretty quiet.
Because Mike won't shut up, apparently.
Guys, type something in the chat. Don't matter what. Just type something. Also hit the like button.
Hey, how'd you stop me out?
I didn't stop you out. I'm on my own chart.
No, they did. They took my account at minus $66. I wasn't all the way up. Oh, it's 2,500. It's not 3,000. Okay, that's 2 gone. That's it. My day's over. I did my best.
This long.
I failed. I failed on the active scalping.
Take it. I need something.
That's my day.
What's your day?
That's my day. Wow, I'm discouraged.
Why?
I should have had it. Should have had one. It was easy. And I can tell you what hurt me.
Was you following your rules? First question.
The counter trend scalping is what hurt.
Let me tell you a story. What happened to me last night? I was sitting here and I was doing other stuff. And, you know, sometimes I'll be working on other stuff, but I'll be trading at the same time, just kind of in the background. I'm here just kind of docile, not really paying attention. I was watching another streamer, and the time out taking a trade or something, I was like, yeah, sure, whatever. So I just took the trade. Wasn't that I was trying to copy them, but it was just like, I was like, fine, looks fine, do it. Man, was I getting beat up. And then finally I had to like wake up and be like, hold on, what am I doing? Why am I down so much? And I was like, well, taking trades, but does this follow the plan? No. Is it working? No. I was like, man, get your shit together, fucking follow the plan.
Yeah.
So then like, I was like, all right. So then I started taking trades, following the plan, made the money back. End of story. Follow the fucking plan.
Yep, if I would have just followed the plan.
You know what the sucky thing was? The guy I was watching, he was winning the trades. I was losing the same trades. Because there wasn't my trades, you know? If I'm getting in a trade for somebody else's trade and then I'm getting out when I need to get out, then trading doesn't work like that. Well, you can't copy other people's trades. Not that I was trying to copy their trade. I was doing other stuff. Trading at the same time. So it's like, okay, well here's a long. Okay, let's take it. Sure. Why not? Plus, it was at a time when the market wasn't really moving that much. You have a pivot point, Globex open, and a 5-minute moving average in this area.
What screws me up a little bit also is the trades that are being taken right now on the chart. Some of them are counter trend trades. You know, if I would put on the filter, they would get filtered out. But I'm not filtering them out. You know what? I'm going to filter them out now. Strategies.
I think not only you got to filter trades out, but you always have to look at price action. Price action is something that you always have to have in your trading.
Yep.
Like, yeah, you might have a system that says if this and this and this happens, you take the long. But the market doesn't give a shit about your system. Is the market long? If all that lines up and the market's saying we're short, then we're not long. Right?
Yeah, that's why, I mean...
Are we creating higher highs and higher lows, or are we creating lower highs and lower lows? Right now, we did a market structure shift. So we're breaking above. We got a higher high. We want to see higher lows. We want to see continuation. And at the same time, we want to be out of this area that has all this blockage in it. Like I said, pivot point, Globex open, and 5-minute moving average.
And we do have that target of 25,000.
Mikey up 200 ticks just to break even. Oh man, it sounded so good. And then it's like, well, Mikey, I'll tell you this.
Take partial.
If you can dance in the fire and get out without being burnt, still a pretty good day, my friend.
Oh, I thought he meant that he's up 200 ticks and now he moved his stop to break even.
Maybe, I don't know.
He's saying that he got break even. Okay.
Could go either way.
Yeah, no, I could see it right over here. If he entered on this one, got all the way up over here, and then came down. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, maybe it went 1-to-1, depending on how you draw the lines. Yeah, that's why I'm not a fan of trading the time charts and stuff, because the stops are so large, and I have so much more success, even though you didn't see it today, using things like Renko charts and, oh, hold on a minute, and other types of charts like that. Oh, 06. Wow, I'm in a 97. I'll take that.
Yeah, I think both my charts, the 1 minute and the 2600, have been fairly well today. Would have been one loss there on the 2600, but how many winners would you have had? One, maybe two if you took that one. I don't know. We got in there for 3, 4. We had 4 winners, 1 loser. Time chart. I have to look for pullbacks. It's a bit more difficult on the time chart. There you would have had a winner. There, winner. This one would still be going. This type of chop today will blow a lot of accounts. Yes, Lewis, it sure will. That grinder pattern. Y'all like grinder pattern or blender pattern? Yeah.
That's how I feel like the day's going. Looking for another log. Let's go, Mikey. Okay, step 1 was to put up the chart that you're using. Step 2 is going to be to put up something that I would use that's kind of similar. We'll see when we can. Maybe I can get that done later. Right now, I'm trading Bull and Ox.
Are you trading Mikey's chart?
No, I don't know if I'm going to trade it. I'm just going to, look at it and see how I would dance with it.
Is that the blue and green?
The blue and green, yeah.
Mikey, every time I look at your pictures, the chart's like so dark, I can't even see what's going on.
Yeah, it's pretty dark. The blue, he uses a very dark blue on the black. That makes it a little difficult.
Ask why? Maybe you don't want to use the red because some people associate red with bad. I don't know.
I don't know. You'd have to ask him.
Well, he's there. I'm asking him. have a new hella wide gaming monitor. Have to use
All
dark colors. Weird.
All I know is that when I buy some packaging and they use red letters on black, I curse.
I think Mike
might
should
as well-
go full tilt. Nah.
No.
Nah, he's not on full tilt yet.
Not even me?
Yeah.
No, not even close. I had fun with the evals. I made some mistakes. I'm aware of them. And I'm doing bull and ox now, carefully. I oversized a little bit, got a little too aggressive. Nice, caught that short.
Nice dump going on there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Delta straight down.
And once both the counts I got up over 2,000, I should have slowed it down. I was rushing. You know what I think? I think I wanted to show off. I swear to God, I think I wanted to show off. I told you guys, I'm very self-aware. I bet that's what it was.
That, the lack of sleep, and a whole shitload of coffee.
I didn't get a lack of sleep. I slept an hour.
Oh, yeah. Sending me stuff at 12 o'clock and 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And for fuck's sakes, at what point in time did this guy sleep?
And then I'm 5 o'clock. And then I'm telling him, the funny thing is, we didn't talk last night evening broadcast, but if we would have, I would have told you I'm taking it easy. You would have heard that from me. I was, nah, I'm taking it easy today.
I think that's what you said.
Plan? Oh, I did?
I thought that was the plan.
That was the plan.
That's all right.
That
Days of
was
our
the
lives,
plan.
right? Well, today's what we have. Live it.
Weekends are for Michelob.
Weekends are for sleeping. Unless you trade Bitcoin, then you still trade.
Yeah.
At one point, they was talking about making futures 7 days a week.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. Be honest with you, I kind of like at least 1 day off.
Mm.
Wait the 5 minutes, still trying to make the case for shorts. I don't know. Really feel like we're long though.
Wow. So weird.
Really not good when you make the case for the longs and the shorts at the same time.
Mm.
I don't think I looked at the open range today. Came up, tapped the open range, broke through, came back for the retest. That would have been an epic fail. Not a good day for the open range retest. Broke right. Came in, not a good day for the failed retest either. Then the breakout again. Anybody care to show me these guys that talk about this 100% win rate on the open range breakout? Anybody care to show me today where that was?
You gotta add until you can't add no more.
Okay, you took this breakout. Hold on, where got my drawing tool? Open range, right? Would like it if it wasn't so big. I know, she said the same thing. Alright, try again. That's still too big. Try again. Okay. Apparently I don't know how to change it. Okay.
Try again. It's still too big.
That's all I got. I can't make it any smaller.
Yeah, make it smaller. That's what God gave me.
Is that the smallest we get? What the? Now we'll do an arrow. There. Open range, the white line. Low pin, pin. Why is it so big? Okay, breakout right there. Came back in. Now, maybe you say, okay, you held through that. Fine. Come up. I guess maybe if you held the drawdown, take profit up here. What was this drawdown?
Oh, here's the one.
That's not that bad. 30 points. I guess that's doable. Okay, I guess today was a bad example. Thinking around the previous days, mid-level, daily mid-level, 24, 9, 14, 50. Lewis, I think I asked before, but do you also draw the value area point of control? A lot of people that are looking at the mid area, they look for the point of control. Some look for the point of control of the New York session. Now that would be up here, 25,087. Gotcha. How about this one, Lewis? Seen this one before. This was supposedly one of the best traders in the world that's talking about it. I watched it for a while. My issue was I could never find the entries. So if the New York session opens outside of the previous day's value area, I don't know if we opened outside. Yeah, I guess. And then goes back into the previous day's value area. Supposedly, there's an 80% chance that we go to the other side of the value area. That would mean we have an 80% chance that we're going to, what was that, 25, 112. Today's not the best example because we opened like right there below the value area, but I guess it still counts. I tracked that for a while. It seemed to work really great, but the problem was you don't just go. Yeah, it's, I think it's like the 80% rule of the previous day's value area or something like that. I had it on my, let's see, I think I had it on my notes. See if I put the guy's name. Identify previous day's value area, use volume profile, observe where price opens. Price opens above or below, then you're looking to retrace to the other side. Yeah, I don't have the guy's name. I told Mike about it. He said, yeah, he's got a book. And that's one of the trades in the book. Interesting trade. Like I said, I tracked it for a while and the results were like phenomenal. But my results trading it were absolutely horrible. But the amount of times that it actually filled the value area was really interesting. I think he said, I think the guy said he uses the 5-minute chart. So the thing would be is, what would the entry be that gives you a reasonable stop loss? Be able to then hold the trade to go up to the other side. Are you still using it or not so much? That trade ideal? I look at it sometimes. Just don't really trade it. Like I said, I watched it before, and the amount of times it hit the other side was actually quite interesting. But I never found a way that I could trade it, have the stop loss within a range that I liked, to be able to not get stopped out. That's the hard part, right? Seeing another guy, and he said everyone always asked him where the market's going. He said, I could tell you exactly where the market's going, but even if I could tell you 100% where the market's going to end the day, most of you would still lose the trade. He said, it don't really matter so much where it's going. It matters what your entry is to get there. And that was my problem with that trading. Do you have the video on it? Don't. It was one of those videos where the guy's doing an interview. Maybe I'll see if I can. Might have it saved. I have to see. Like an hour-long interview with like supposedly one of the top traders. Great interview. I think the guy said that he only trades like 2 trades. That was one of them. And I forget what the other one was. I think when it comes to strategies like that, maybe you have to use like a really wide stop loss or something. I don't know. I wasn't really a swing trader, but just saying that you open outside the previous day's value area. When you go back in, you're looking to fill that value area. You just have to be able to have some setup. He said he took it on a 5-minute chart, so it wasn't like you just come back in and then you take the trade. Not like a open range or something. But I guess you come back into the value area, then you're looking for trades in that direction to fill it. Mikey stopped. Get stopped out? Yeah, Lewis, I thought maybe you heard of that trade before. Might be in my watch later. I have to look. Turns out I have a lot of the videos in my watch later. Would be interesting to watch. Yeah. One of those guys that does interviews with traders. He's done some quite interesting interviews. A few of them. Man, we're still chopping, ain't we? Finally got out of this range. Move up, we're in another range. An indicator on that.
So loud.
Right now, all the ORB traders looking for this to come back into the open range. Failed breakout and go to the other side. So if they can achieve that, be looking to go back down to the 24,762. I'd want to see like a pullback and then a continuation or something. That's the pattern I like. Mikey, you about to stop out again? Mikey, what are you trading? Yeah, guys, I try to just stay out of the market when it's just chopping like this. This is the 1 minute hike in Ashy here. Look at all this. Draw a box. You can draw a box. Then probably not the best trading environment. Yep, Mikey, and then we get the FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. We watch. The one we don't take, that's the one that wins. I think we're getting an echo. Mike, what the hell are you doing? Why are we getting echo? Maybe that'll work. Set this one out to prove my point. I had to mute Mike when he comes back. Y'all tell me to unmute him. Yeah, Mikey. You sit this one out. This will be the one that works. Lewis, my ORB indicator also has high, mid, low level. Mid level gets hit a lot. Yeah. I don't think mine has the mid level. Trying to get a nice push up. Mikey, also if you're taking longs, remember earlier I pointed out we got the Globex open right above us. We're at the 5 minute moving average. We also have VWAP flat. So all of those are like Kind of no trade conditions. And if you look at this purple dotted line up here, it's the Globex Open. This purple line, VWAP, is kind of flat. You can see how we just have this choppiness. We gotta get above this. He's back.
Yep.
Had to mute you. You had something coming through.
Yeah, let me see.
We gotta get up.
Yeah.
We gotta get up this way. Get up above there.
Shouldn't have came through. Yeah. Anyways, shouldn't have came through. It's not the out. That's not the output that's coming out. It's the private channel.
Don't know.
My entry would have been at 24,898.
Yep, Mikey, and we all knew that was the one that was going to work. But if you'd have took it, it wouldn't work. We all feel that way from time to time, don't we? Check. Check. I heard it. I heard it hearing it. All right, trying to push above this range. Looking good.
Oh my God, New York.
What about New York?
Mike A was asking which market if I prefer London or New York. I'm a volatility junkie.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. I can trade either. I trade different at night than I do during the day.
Just like that, I'm just shy of 50 points, if not fucking profiting.
50
Well,
points.
I'll tell you what, a few adjustments I would make. Just based on, like I said, it's not my chart. I'm not a fan of trading on the 1 minute because of the fact that the stops get far away. But can you explain what?
On the 1 minute?
On the 1 minute. Yeah, on the 1 minute. The stops are far away. Look at this one over here. I mean, look at the size of the stops.
Where you at?
And, you're going to have to wait 8 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Where's my stream? Okay, there, it's up. It's up for me. It should be up for you. 894 with a stop all the way down at 842. That's 50 points. And then I don't know if he's entering. No, he's not entering on that one. It didn't go in. That one didn't go in. Then he's entering here at 910 with a stop at 860. It's another 50 points. No way, brother. Not for me, man. 894 with a stop down at 856. That's 40 points. This one was the really good one if he's entering on that green candle right there at 867. But the way I would change it, I would modify it if it was me and I was looking to do something. Number one, I wouldn't enter unless I can enter inside the bands. So if I'm outside the bands, it's too far away. And I might make it, in this case, a condition for the stop to have a close outside the bands. So that'll eliminate, because, I mean, the one thing you got to do when you're creating a system is you got to avoid getting slapped around like that. Seriously, you can't allow a system to slap the crap out of you. So you got to make modifications that will avoid that completely. So for me, that's the first one that I see. Just obvious from my experience. I would only enter if it's inside the bands, and my stop would be a close outside the bands. So let's go back and look. Let's find, let's say, a loser. I don't know here. Hold on. Ooh, the bands got wide over there. How wide are the bands? 864, 8. Okay, not bad. No, this is early in the morning. Yeah, so like here, you would take a trade over here, but you would be stopped out. But I would say wait. You have, allow it to be a wider stop than just the swing.
But you also have your ATR is pretty large today. Here, I'm looking at the 2600 chart, and stops are about 30 points.
No, yeah, I know, but you can't allow this to happen. Hold on. Shift F12, I think it is. No, it's Control F12. Yeah, in a box like that.
I mean, you got great entries here. You're looking between 20 and 30 point stops. Now, I like my stops to be around 18 points, so not happy with that stops, but what we got.
Oops, that's way too bright. 45.
Well, I like pullback. Look for a nice pullback. A signal to go along.
There we go. Great entries on what? The 2600.
I don't even know what y'all trade. We're still in this box. You want to trade in a box? Be a range trader.
Step number 2. 1 minute is too big for me. Again, me personally, I'm just not comfortable with numbers like that. Chart trader, what do I want to do? I want to get rid of the cursor. Off. What if I change this to 1000 volume? We'll see what they look like. I would find something. I'm going to change it to a few things. And again, I'm not really optimizing here or over optimizing. I'm just looking to compare the size of the stops. So we come in. You would take that. Me, I'm claiming you only enter, and see the bands are a lot tighter over here. So you would come in at 919 with a stop at 905. That's much better. That's 14 points. On the 1000, it's a faster chart. So let's look at this one here. Short at 893, it's inside. The close outside 93.7. That's 13 points. Where's the bands? You're coming from on top. You got a full bar, so you never got a long. You got a short. You want to close. I don't even know if this is the one we did. 896. 915. Hey. The bands are tighter though over here. You're going to have less trades inside the bands. And now, for the PS Daddy's Easy Stones. $24-point stops every time. Let me load it. $8, $16, $24, $32. How much do I want to risk? I'll go with 30. 30 is good. Okay, why is it showing like that? It's not supposed to. Something's wrong. Oh, wait, it's loading. That's why. Data series. 1. Move this out of the way. Where's 930? Wow, it was really zigzaggy, eh? 930. Oh, it's right over here. So you would have, depending on how loose you take it, if you're okay with any touch of the band, you're short there. Stopped out. Your stops are always the same. This definitely, because you touch the farther away band, you're short. You're short. So you had, let's do it again, short. Your loss is a full candle outside of the bands. Short, short, that's 1, 2, 3, 36 to 90. Then you're short.
Lewis, I guess my open range has a midline also. I just don't turn it on.
Loss, short loss, short loss. It's a bad day, man. It is a bad day for price action for this type of a system. Long, stopped out. And short, stopped out. No, it's a horrific day for this type of a system. Data series, strategies. But instead of blue, use orange bar color. Again, I'll just say you want to avoid getting slapped around. For me, that's the change I would make for sure. Is like an Ashi volume 1000. Okay, wait for it to change. Take your trade. This looks like the most stable one for this kind of price action, and if it's stable for this price action, it should be better for the other for other types of days as well. I mean, but I would definitely have to look if I were to use it. Close, delete, remove.
Yeah, we have an inside bar day. Price action's just sideways. You're gonna trade the day, you gotta do quick scalps or trade a consolidation strategy. I do think based on the 5 minute though, we could be looking at a breakout. Once again, we'd need a breakout of this range and then a retest. Yep, come back. Retest, go higher. Or at least build some kind of structure. Push up, candle close, build some kind of structure. I think everything's slower than the New York Open. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. You typically trade different strategies. They're in the New York Open. I like the trending strategies because we generally get a nice trend, at least for a few hours, at least to about 11:30. But then at night, in the evening, or something like that, I tend to do more of a slower term strategy. Look for a direction, maybe average into it, look to build a position. We got Trump speaking today, 4 o'clock. Wonder what he's going to be talking about. That State of the Union? I think he is. I think he said he's going to talk about the futures crew guys, futures floor, and Omnius trades. And what do you think he's going to say? I said, man. Me neither. It's gonna be the best. It's gonna be the best. Gonna win so much, gonna be tired of winning. All right, I'll message Trump, see if I can get him to do the Trump impersonation. Well, so much for that breakout of the range, huh? We're going right back down to the bottom of the range. Not all lines are the same. Medium. Medium. Sure. The last poll was, what's your goal for today's session? 10 points, 20 points, 50 points. 18% said 10 points, 23% said 20 points, 39% of you guys said 50 points, and 20% said, I don't know, I'm just learning. So 40% of you guys are looking for 50 plus points. Can be overnight. I don't know. I just don't know. And I'm not a fan of the huge points. I mean, in a single trade, yeah, I guess in a session maybe, but yeah, not in a. I'm not a big fan of trying to get that in a single trade. Yes, that's what the poll meant. About 3 inches. I don't remember. Gayan, good morning. Gayan. I don't know how to pronounce that. Mike, how you pronounce that guy's name? But it's not an I, it's an A. Gayan? I think it is Gayan. Don't have the chat open, do you? Hey, you know you can pop out the chats, right? Like I was asking the thing last night about how to do the chats better. They said, look, just pop the chats out and put them next to each other. You just click the 3 buttons and click pop out chat. Yeah, you put chat wherever you want, man. You don't even have to have the window open. You just pop out that chat, put it on the side of your window, and you got the chat for both live streams. Yeah, I didn't know that, did you? Yeah, all you do is pop it out. You put it wherever you want. Put one right on top of the other. You got both chats right there. You can create your own chat window. Good morning here, afternoon, London. He's in the London session, right, Dan? Appreciate you coming by in the New York session, hanging out with us. Well, I'm assuming the other name's the last name. Yeah, that is a pretty cool method. Pop the chat out, put it right over to the side of the screen. Stack one on top of the other. Have a whole chat window. Only thing I don't like is that you can't put always on top. Wish it had that feature. Okay, and type in giveaway question mark. Make sure you're in the giveaway game. I don't know if you typed it in already. Anybody else want to be in the giveaway game? Giveaway. Gotcha. Like you write down Gayan for the... Not yet. You'll give me the list later, but I'll put them in now anyways. Yeah, I was just repeating it. Make sure I heard it right. Anybody else feel sleep deprived? That happened to me too. It's falling both of us at the same time. The other sides of the planet. I'm from where it's really hot. He's from where it's really cold. See, Mike, if you grew your beard out, you could tell people you're Santa Claus and you're from the North Pole. What are you talking about? I've only been growing a few months. How fucking long does Santa Claus have it? You know, it depends on which Santa Claus you're looking at, right? Obviously. Okay, and appreciate you following us. Appreciate you coming by. Mo. That's what she said. We don't really have malls that much anymore. I think only the big cities now. I remember we was in South Carolina, I think it was, years ago. My boy was like 1.5 or 2. We was in the mall, and they had one of those jump things, and he wanted to do it. I was like, what do you think, man? You think you could do that? You wouldn't be scared? He's like, heck no, I ain't scared. Like, all right, show me. So he gets there, and there's a younger guy doing it. It's one of those big ones where they like pull them down and slingshot them up in the air, like 50 feet in the air. You just keep coming down and bouncing back up. And yeah, he got strapped up, man, and there was this young guy doing it, and the guy's like pulling him down. I'm like, he kept stopping. He's like, you good? You good? You good? Because he was so young. I'm like, shit, man, he's good, man. Run with it. Let's go. The kid ain't scared. And he was like pulling him down and shooting him like way up there in the air. We got a video of it somewhere. He like come down, and the guy's like, you sure you're good? I'm like, he's good. Let's go. The guy pull him down real hard, like shoot him. He strapped a couple more of the rubber bands on there. He had this kid flying up there, and the kid thought he was flying. Kid was living the life, smiling on his face. Guy's like, I'm really not supposed to do this. I'm scared I might get in trouble. Like, I didn't see anything. He didn't want me to record him because he wasn't supposed to do that. Like, I didn't see anything. Kid's having a fun time, man. Lewis, here's where you get the ORB for free. Indicator, Trade Saver. Maybe I'll have to put that one. Maybe I'll have to put that one in the indicator list. Appreciate you sharing it, Lewis. They do. I don't know if that's the one I got. I don't know which one I got. I got a Trade Saver folder. Guess I got a multi-series high-low. I don't even know what that is. Guys, y'all want to pick up some of the indicators that we use on our charts on stream? Go to the Discord, look for indicators. There you'll see a link to a Google Drive. That's some of the indicators that we use on stream, some of the custom ones, some of them that we've downloaded. We like to put that in a location where you guys can go get any of the indicators. We're adding more to it daily, so be sure to check back. And if there's some that you're looking for, let us know. Maybe we can find it. Put it in the list. That way other people can find it and have nice indicators on their chart. Lewis jumped out of planes and helicopters in the military, but hell no to the bungee jumping. Lewis, funny story. So where I lived when I was like a teenager, so wanted to bungee jump. And they used to have a festival every year. And they used to have a bungee jumping thing. And one year a guy was up there and he bungee jumped and he come down and he hit the water a bit too hard and there was a rock under the water. And that was it for my bungee jumping wanting to do days. Yeah, they used to have it where you come down and just tip your head like taps the water. Yeah, it looks so cool, man. Yeah, they haven't done it since then. I gotta think though, when you get up there, they ask you like your weight. And like maybe somebody was kind of fibbing about their weight a little bit. Because it's rubber bands, right? And if you want to time it just right, where the guy's like hands are dipping into water, get that. Yeah, right. So you gotta say, okay, well you're 200 pound, like 200 is different than 250. You know, so guy gets up there. I'm just assuming. I don't know, but I'm just assuming maybe the guy gets up there and the guy's like, well, how much you weigh? He's like 200. I'm like, you sure? Yeah, I'm fucking 200. Maybe the guy was 250. It's like me going to the doctor, you know, first thing they want to do is put you on the scale. Hey, fuck, man, I just got here. You're already weighing me. So I go in there and I get on the scale and they tell me my weight. And I was like, it's the shoes, you know. The lady says, well, take the shoes off. I said, well, then what am I going to blame it on? She just puzzled for a second. Never mind. Hey, come on, lady. You think the shoes really weigh 20 pounds? I mean, I got shoes. I'm pretty sure they weigh 20 pounds, but I'm not wearing them to the doctor. much you weigh. Are you weight conscious? I don't know that I'm weight conscious. Probably just like messing with people more. Mike Lewis wants to know how much you weigh. It's the shoes, Lewis. It's the shoes. It's not me. It's the shoes. That was a nice way of saying, are you fat? Am I fat? No. Do you care? Yeah. I wouldn't say I'm fat or skinny. You have more of a bigger build, though. Nah, broad chest. Very broad chest. I guess if you think about it, I guess technically I would be fat. I could probably lose about 30 pounds. And if you're over by 30 pounds, that's technically considered obese. Right. So I guess technically I would be obese. I don't. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. Look, every guy knows the test, right? To know if you're really obese, right? You stand in front of the toilet, you stand up straight, and you look down. If you can see your wiener, you're good. If you can't, it might be time to go on a diet. That's the official test. No, you can't stand in front of the mirror. That's cheating. You have to stand up straight and look down. Guys, have I seen like I'm not taking a lot of trades today because we're going sideways and I don't want to trade it. I don't know. I'm going to take 2, 3 or 4 trades today.
I had a loser.
Sorry about that,
No,
Lewis. Just don't tell him, he won't know. It'll be okay.
Now I switched it back. I haven't heard him for about an hour. Mike is on. Good one, Lewis.
Nah, I had you muted.
Oh, did you? For an hour? Wow, that's just crazy. That's just crazy.
To be fair, I did say, hey guys, I'm muting Mike. Let me know if I forget to unmute.
Okay, here's another Mikey trade.
So I'm pretty sure I did. So I don't know what. Maybe I
Got
pressed it
in.
twice.
Got in late.
No, I did a sound check. Even did a sound check after that. I don't know why you're muted.
Try to improve my price. I got to get out of a 5 lot. There we go. So that's my price there. Oops. For the 5 lot on the Mikey trade. That's the entry, F8. That's approximately the stop. 5 lot. I'll be looking to cover a 2 lot if we get about there, where the cursor is. Oh, the dog is barking a lot. I'll add if we get up here. 4, 5. That's my add point. If we close above, oh, it's so close I can't even see. We did close above. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. Boom. And boom. Second trade or third trade. 2 L's.
All right, guys. Do we break this range bullish or bearish?
Let's go back to Sim 101, which is tracking the.
Looks like the bulls have been trying for quite a while. We got to get above the Globex open. Mikey, I do not have 2 winners. Do you have 3?
Who are you talking to? Me? No, I had 2 losers. Trading the Mikey system so far, I have 2 losers, 1 winner.
I said Mikey.
Oh. And 5 lots.
Yeah, Mike, Mikey, lots. Michael, Mike A, and Mike B.
I'm hungry.
Time for pizza?
Nah. I don't know what I'm going to eat for lunch. I don't have a lunch planned. 34, 41. Let's see 41. 41 would be a nice price.
Lewis, are you one of those people that work out every day? Like go hit the gym, or I do a little workout every day, but at least I try to. Fine, you caught me. Maybe not every day. Tough crowd, man. I don't go to the gym or anything, though. I just do stuff around here. I got a rack of weights over there. I got
a rack of ribs on the other side.
Man, we gotta work on that ear thing you got. Rack of weights.
Ribs.
I got
didn't get it.
Combo reflex ball over there. Beat the shit out of it. A couple other things around the room. Also do things like planks. Like sitting at a desk all day, you have to do planks. Otherwise, you'll be all hunchback and shit. Lewis, I don't compete anymore, but I go to the gym 5 days a week and eat pretty healthy. I do have cheat meals. So Lewis, be honest. Pizza's pretty healthy, right? Maybe we should do a poll. Guys, I'm pretty sure pizza's healthy. What's that mean? I remember, was it you had like the tomato sauce or something? What, salsa or whatever, right? I remember the commercial. Like it's got all your daily vegetables in it and stuff. They put that on pizza. And pepperoni. And we all know that pepperoni's good for you.
You know what else they put on pizza? Mushrooms.
Yeah.
You didn't get my joke before. It's not that I didn't hear you. You said, I have a rack of weights over there. And I said, yeah. And on the other side, you have a rack of ribs. You know, when you go to a restaurant, they say, do you want a rack of ribs? Half a rack, full rack? Ha, ha, ha.
Man, tough crowd, huh?
Tough crowd. Can't get comfortable today.
Hemorrhoids messing you up again?
Either that or my wife made a mistake and put one of the boys' underwear in my drawer instead. Mr. Size 38 is wearing size 32 underwear. Third entry I didn't take, just hit 1R.
It's them old whitey tighties, isn't it? Oh, God. How much dust does your weights have on it?
We're still heading up to that 25,000 target.
Listen, Lewis, you can still use them with the dust on it. Listen, I'm better at doing the workout than I am dusting the weights off. What I think I got 15, 20, 25, 30. And the kids love doing the weights too, so they got, I think, 2, 3, and 5. Mike, you lift weights?
No.
Mikey, you lift weights? Wait, I remember there was somebody else on the stream that was like a bodybuilder or something.
My boys. I need to. I love that answer.
I need to. I used to.
That is funny.
Half? What does that mean, Lewis? Half? Half an inch of dust? No, there's not that much dust. Guys, I think we broke to the upside. I think the bulls were right. What do we got? Got 3 votes, 100% bullish. Get this nice push up. If we get a pullback, maybe go from there.
I'll be honest, I've been circling that drain for the last 2 years trying to get this dream off the effing ground.
Was that Mikey's dream of trading?
Could be. Or the
And
gym.
how hard
not
to
sure.
get into the gym after getting worked so often. Yeah, Mikey. But also it's good to go do something else and clear your mind from it. So sometimes I have to remind myself that I can't just sit here all day looking for trades. Show up for a few hours, take the trades, either win or you lose, and go about your day. Coming back down. Maybe the Bulls couldn't hold it.
Down.
No game today. About that time, isn't it?
Oh my God. 11:30. I was having so much fun trading. Okay, well, we got a short with the system.
Funny part was I first seen it and I was like, what the hell is he talking about? Game? What game?
I thought he was talking about hockey.
I was talking about hockey.
The Olympics. No game today? I don't know. Canadians played the Czechoslovakian team yesterday. We won in overtime. That was exciting. Let me switch over to Sim 102 for a Mikey trade. Let's see if we get one. We need a bullish candle. 308, 273, 160, 150, 85, 77. That is bullish. Right? I can't even see. Yeah, it is. I see it white.
Lewis, what time you start trading? Seen you there pretty early today.
Gotta open it up. F8. That's approximately where my stop will be. So 27 down to 15. It's a 12-point stop. I'll add over here.
Mikey, what time you start trading? You guys start early. 7:30.
Buy limit. I'll even put it in. Okay, we got filled.
New York Open. Okay. Seems to be some people showing up around 7:30, 8 o'clock.
That's a close below. That is 3-1.
Yeah, Lewis, that's always nice. Sometimes I
Gotta
trade
get
in
Gotta
the
get out. Take me out. It's
evening
running.
or something, try to build a little buffer.
Minus 416.
Yep, failed breakout. Bulls couldn't hold it. Dumping. Be right back. Alright, can you get back, Lewis? What a dump.
Yeah,
I was just thinking, man, if we get a nice pullback, could jump in.
I'm not sure I'm a fan of the bands for this type of trading.
What band you got?
The AMA ADX.
Nah, I just used the EMA or the SMA.
I mean, like I said to Mikey before, I can't use that indicator. Like I said to Mikey before, 4 or 5 trades doesn't tell me anything, but
Flips on your chart.
just the way I see it, I like this trade better.
My problem with that indicator is that what you're looking at now, they scroll back in the chart, that's not going to be the right indicator. If you understand what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Like where, if you scrolled back in the chart to the open, you took a picture of it, screenshot, it's not the same as it was when you were at the open. So it kind of gives you a false sense of back testing. But then the indicator is designed to be like that. So if that's what you like, then it's fine. I'm not saying it does repaint, but I'm not saying it's a repaint indicator. I'm saying it's designed to be like that. Just like the EMA. If anybody doesn't know, the EMA does repaint. And if you go back, it can be different than what it was when you were there. But the EMA is not as bad as some of the other ones. Because the EMA puts more emphasis on the current candles. That's why it's more responsive. That's why people like it. But you got to understand that when you're looking back in the chart. The SMA is better. Simple moving average is better. You don't want to repaint, but it's not as responsive. So a lot of people like the EMA. Still holding the range. Thought the way it was dropping, I thought we'd just drop right through it. Good day for a range trader. Man, a set of Bollinger Bands would have printed money today. Yeah, Lewis, range day. Anybody with some Bollinger Bands on their chart feeling like they're geniuses. Bollinger Band. What's the other one? Dochain channel? I always say it wrong.
Donchan price channels. I'm a big fan of price channels.
Maybe even
Yeah, I had the same issue, Mikey, of it crossing. But only once, and I don't remember when. I think I talked to you about it. I pointed it out to you.
I think my stream tried to crash.
Once.
What happened, man?
What did I do? I changed the period. I went down by 1, 50, 49, 48, 47 until it was painting properly.
Keltner channel. Yep, that's a good one too. All those are good for range days. Maybe one day I'll try to be a counter trend trader again. I used to trade trend and counter trend.
Yeah.
And I mean, I was pretty decent at it, but I noticed that once I picked one or the other, that my trading greatly improved. Because if you're looking at the market saying, okay, I want to be long, I want to be short.
It's good. I want to be long.
And in your head, you have, okay, well, now I'm long, but do I go short? But do I go long? But do I go short? So if you just pick trend or counter trend, whichever one, just pick one and go with it. Then you're looking at the market almost in a single direction. And you know, I like trend because you know if the trend's bullish, then we're taking longs. Then if it's no longer bullish, you just get out the trade. But trend trading, to me, better tells you when to just get out the trade, right? If I'm playing poker or something and I'm not winning, the odds are no longer in my favor, I take my chips off the table and I fucking go home, right? If I'm in a trade and the odds are no longer in my favor, I just hit the close button, wait for the next trade. But to me, on counter trend trading, it doesn't really like where do you put the stops? Like if we're just waiting for the top of a Bollinger Band or something and we're going short, well then at what point do you just define that this is no longer in my favor? So that's why I choose trend trading. And with trend trading, I find you can be wrong a lot more and still win the trades. Because if the trend's going up, maybe you get in a bad spot, it pulls back a little bit, but then it generally goes right back in your direction.
Yeah.
To where counter trend trading, when you're wrong, and a lot of counter trend traders, they add to trades. So then you're wrong, but then you're adding to it, and you're more wrong, and then you're adding to it, and then fuck, you just blew the account. I'm actually more of a counter trend person, so I think I would still be pretty good counter trend trading. But if I have to choose one or the other, lately it's just been trend trading.
Yeah.
Great arguments for both.
Yeah, I have better arguments for cons for trend trading though.
Well, counter trend traders will say that was like 70 or 80% or something. The market's in a range. How often does it really trend? But then I kind of disagree with that because we trade futures.
Depends on how you define the trend.
Right. It seems like we get
ways to.
We get 2, 3, 4 decent trends a day.
Yeah.
I feel like that's more true with different markets, not so much Nasdaq.
I've been getting headaches lately. I think your voice is deeper.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Does it hurt worse when? Does it hurt worse when it's deeper or when it's like higher pitched?
No, but did you change anything on your mic? Any settings? Anything? Serious?
Yeah.
No fucking around. Really? Serious?
I said yeah.
You did?
Yes.
You're vibrating in my ears.
Is it louder? Is it lower?
It seems more. It's like it's. I mean, I won't say yet that's that. I get headaches anyways. I get migraines, but
Okay, let's
maybe
try.
it's just.
Let's try the other one. Tell me which one sounds.
Oh, leave it. You know what it is? It's just.
I'm gonna try it right now. Come on now. We're here. You're gonna help me do it. How about this one? That sound different?
I don't know.
You don't even know if it sounds different?
No.
Oh my goodness.
All I know is I have a headache and your voice is irritating it.
Yeah, I get that sometimes. Know exactly
all
what
I
you're
know.
talking about.
But I'm not an audiologist. I have no idea. I can't. There was nothing spectacularly different about one or the other. That's why I said leave it. It's just
Actually, the mic was set up quite different.
Yeah, I could just take the earphone off one ear and even move it a little bit off the other ear also. I like what you have. I like your little setup with little buds. You know what I'd really like? I'd like the Bluetooth ones that don't even go in the ear, that go under the ear. You know, that you're supposed to use when you jog outside and stuff, so you can hear the traffic also.
How about that one? There we go.
No, that one sounded pretty deep.
This one?
Yeah, but again, it could be you. I mean, I don't even know. You know, it's the pitch of your voice. Look how my voice, the pitch goes up, down.
Well, I just went to two different ones. Did one sound deep and one didn't?
Yeah, the one when you said, how about that one? That one sounded deep.
All right, we'll go back to the other one then. There's only two of them. There's not that one. There's only two. How about that one? The other one might be slightly louder. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know. Is it still deep?
Anyways, it's good. It's good. It's good. No, this is really good. You sound like Mickey Mouse now.
Okay, I'm going to go back to the other one. There you go.
Oh, there you go. I'm doing a Mikey trade.
11:40. Let's do it. Come on, game time.
Wait.
Yeah, we've been waiting.
Okay, one more. I just got 85, 78. We got to go to 78.
Guys, we're putting Mike in Traders Anonymous. Master Traders Anonymous.
I'm very stubborn. I'm swinging a heavy bet for Mikey here. Well, it's not for Mikey. It's just for me, but 85, 89. If we go to 99, we're out. Whatever.
Hey, we haven't done all the Master Trader jokes in a while.
Ouch.
We gotta bring them back.
99 or 78, whichever comes first. 99 or 78. 86.
You still got the Master Trader memes?
I do. I have it all. 85. Grab a little bit. What the fuck? Yeah, I wouldn't play it anymore. There's the 70.
Guys, every day we get here and Master Trade together. You want to come Master Trade with us? Come hang out.
We're a group of Master Traders.
We're a group of chronic Master Traders.
What's going on? Let's go back to Sim 101. There we go. I should have actually held till 72. That was the obvious target. So I'm down 117. Okay. I have some ideas for you, Mikey. Maybe. No, sorry. I take that back.
Lewis, everybody likes Master Trading. Just it feels good.
I have some ideas that I might use and that maybe you want to hear about. We'll see. We'll see. We'll work on it. It flips on my chart. Don't give up hope yet. Bum, 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 bum. What are we doing? Playing games? You want to play games? You're such a child. Go back to McDonald's.
Is that where you get the human meat from?
That's not true.
What are you talking about? I did a study. I found human meat in the meat.
Yeah, the guy's fingernail who did the study.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I believe all these guys. These guys, it's clickbait. You fall for all the clickbait.
I don't want to brag, but the conspiracy theorists have been right about 99.9% of the time.
Yeah, when it comes to Trump and the Democrats, not the McDonald's.
And the Republicans. There are no Democrats. There are no Republicans. They're all the same.
No, they're not all the same.
They're all the same.
No. It's a rumor.
Tell me the difference.
Oh, go back to McDonald's. No, Mikey. File, save, close.
It's a big club and you're not in it.
Okay, so how was my day today? I'd give it a 4. A 4. I would have given it a 5, but Mikey's discouraged and it's making me feel bad.
don't think Mikey's discouraged. He just wants to find a consistent setup.
What are we playing?
Mikey,
I like the
Mikey, I think you need to find a little bit of consistency. Like not so much trades or this or that, but just sometimes it just comes down to having a little winning streak. Find like your best trades of the day. Just try to take like 3 to 5 or 6 trades a day.
something really weird is happening in my home.
He's discouraged because I can't find one of those consistent things. I don't have those. Mikey, I disagree.
Mikey, I'm on it.
Mikey, if you lost 80% of the time, and there's still a period where you have a winning streak.
That's true.
You can't argue with the numbers, right? Might seem like you always lose. If you tried to lose 100% of the time, you'd still only have about 80%. And you'd still have a winning streak.
That's bad math, though. Yeah, I didn't want to say anything.
Why is it bad math? I don't think.
Yeah, Mikey, why is it bad math? Let's see what he has to say.
Same thing I tell my kids. They're like, Dad, I'm playing soccer, but we might lose. Our team sucks. I'm like, good. Well, if you're really good at losing, then you'll lose at losing, and that's called winning. I mean, it's just statistics.
Yay, what are we doing? We're having some pegs in today. Let's bring this
trying to
down
break the low of the range.
350. 315.
You lose about that percentage of the time. Well, then still, there has to be a period that has a winning streak.
265.
Also, once you start getting, once you start getting consistent with wins, you start expecting wins more, so you start looking for them more. So you got to get to where you're able to get the wins and expect the wins, so that's what you're looking for.
Shout out to Luis, Gator the Malinois, our sub of the week. Not only does he call the markets like a pro, helps fix phantom order bugs in NinjaTrader, and wins eval accounts, making him an absolute legend. This one's for you, Luis. Glad to have you a part of the Omnius Trades and Futures Floor New York Open live stream.
Now I remember why I muted you earlier. He's talking in the middle of the video.
I was gonna say because of my bad ideas. You know what? Let me think about it. Yeah, no, I want some kind of like oh, okay, I got a good idea. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna play it normal. There's the winner in each game, right? And we're gonna have 3 winners, and those 3 winners are gonna. Okay, we'll do that next week. And the 3 winners get to play against each other, and whoever wins that gets an extra ball in the finals. So we'll do that. So every day someone will get an extra ball. And that way it's not me picking it, because I've been picking lately and that's kind of unfair. Why doesn't he pick me? I know that's how I'd feel. Which way do we want the wind to blow?
Whichever way the wind blows doesn't really matter to me.
Well, pick east, west.
Come on, man.
Stronger
Pink
the wind,
Floyd, man. You don't know Pink Floyd?
Something about a wall, nothing about the wind. It's another brick in the wall, not another brick in the wind. Okay, he's not going to help me. I'm going to pick the wind. We're going to go with -10. Apply.
The helicopters are coming for me. You hear them?
Helicopter, helicopter. Okay, that's perfect. Let's get the names in after you'll give me your names. First thing we have to do, we have to make sure Lewis is in the list. Hey, Miss K didn't show up again today. Control, copy. Boom. Oops. There we go. Control V. And 27 players loaded. Let me read the names to you. If I miss your name, let me know.
There's Miss K.
Oh, she's in already? Yeah. Cool. Way to go. I was just talking about you. We have Miss K, Mr. Knife Art, who came qualified twice yesterday. Team Massive, Jader, G510, or 510. Andrew Barley. I hate Barley. Not Andrew Barley, but just Barley. Akevix, AkeviFX, Polar Monkey, Clickcoin Collective, Sinister Scalper, Catastrophe, Tate Aldridge, Nicholas Acosta, Luca Fiorio, Bangs, Olim KD, Aniket FX, Trader X Motivation, Shari Robinson, Unknow FX, Prop Trader, Augie Official, Sincellard, Dirty Little Trader, Luis, Mikey, Skeletor, Gayan. So, if I've missed you, let me know. Hamza, if you're there, Starboy, anybody, because I had my heads in the charts a lot today. And if you typed it in wrong, you made a spelling mistake, you're not on the list. You have other people on the list there, Omnius. You want to give me some?
I got to.
Did you run? Did you look backwards?
I did, yes.
Aniket was one of them.
Aniket, that's the one I was looking at. You got that one?
I got Aniket, yeah.
All right, delete that one. Who else we got? OG? OGGY?
Oh, Augie Official. I got him.
Augie, yeah, okay.
323.
Trader Motivation?
I got Trader Motivation.
Prop Trader?
I got Prop Trader.
All right, delete that one.
Not bad, eh?
Yeah, hey.
Okay, guys.
You said you got that one. You got Unknown?
I need a witness.
You got Unknown?
I got Unknown. Unknown. Lewis is there.
Or Unknown, you're right. And Bangs.
Unknown, yeah. And Bangs.
Delete that one.
Okay, we're good to go.
You got Olim? OL?
Olim KD, yep.
Yeah.
Oli MKD. Leonardo Monaco. Fun name. Good trades. Leonardo. Type in
You got Mikey?
giveaway.
Of course you got Mikey.
Leonardo. I got Mikey. Let me
You
just
got
confirm.
John Pruitt?
Mikey. That doesn't sound familiar. Nope, I don't have John Pruitt.
JOHNPRUITT.
Good enough. Hurry up, Leonardo. We're running out of time.
And
Giveaway game qualifier.
Lewis, the Gator.
Lewis. I got Lewis.
Okay.
We're going to call him Lewis Lewis. It'll be easy to find.
Call it Lewis. I got you.
Louis. Well,
Name it Lewis.
save.
Name it Lewis. I got you.
Leonardo, running out of time. Type in giveaway. Any minute.
Running.
Going to press.
Running late. Leonardo, you got like 5 seconds. Type in giveaway. And On with the
Action. With the game.
On with
You're
the
so
game.
funny. Who's calling it?
Who's calling it? We should call somebody on stream to call it.
Yeah, who's the play-by-play announcer?
Gonna let Mikey call it?
Yeah, I don't know. I put Leonardo in anyways. He's new. He gets a pass for today. Okay, we go. Boom. We're off to the races. Wow, a lot of stop outs. A lot of people getting negative points.
Guys, you want to get in the take profit pit? Get profit, hit the stop pit, you lose profit. Green good, red bad.
5 points in the green, minus 3 points in the red. 2-minute games. If there's a tie, we go into overtime. If you make it to the top, you qualify. These are qualifiers. That's why it says qualifier on the game. You'll be in the finals on Friday. What day is it today? It's Thursday today, no? So the finals are tomorrow. Skeletor leading
what
with
day did you say it was? What
Friday
day?
Eve. Friday
Eve.
Friday Eve. Skeletor, 37, 12-point lead with a minute. Can he hold it? Aniket, Clickcoin in the pit. Mikey in the pit. Andrew Barley. Aniket again. Wow.
We
Aniket
accept
doing
Friday
good.
Eve. We also accept Thursday.
Aniket, you got to be climbing. You just went in the pit 3 times. Where is Aniket? Oh, there you are. You're second place.
Skeletor, number
Aniket,
1.
again. Oh, Aniket's really crushing it.
Skeletor, don't let him take the lead like that. There you go, Skeletor.
Andrew Prop. Aniket.
Oh, we got a battle. Skeletor, take your lead back. Don't let him do that.
Lewis, Team Massive.
Who
Jade,
else we got at the top?
Catastrophe.
Lewis, number
Skeletor
11.
stuck.
Skeletor, number 4. Skeletor, what happened? 10,
Oh, he just
9,
he stopped out.
7, 6, 5, 4,
Aniket,
3,
forget it.
2, 1.
Aniket knew how to do it. Oh, you know, it was another thing I said. We can track the points. Deal me in. Straw Hat Joyman. Straw Hat Joyman. Type in giveaway. He'll be in the next 2. Good games. Good games. Let's get in Straw Hat. Can you write it down, please, Omnius?
Right down.
Aniket.
Straw Hat?
Yeah.
Oh, Aniket.
No, Aniket. Straw Hat I'll put in. Straw Hat. Save and apply. Yeah, so you watch the points, and let's say that's another thing we can do. The one with the highest points at the end of the week gets an extra ball. Or the one with the highest points at the end of every day gets an extra ball. We'll take a poll. We'll see what people like. I like that, actually, rather than an extra game. The highest points. So Aniket won with 49. And you ready to go, Omnius?
Yep. Got it.
We're firing.
Fire.
Wow, a lot of stopping out. I think the wind is... more people are stopping out than getting points. We got Trader X.
We got Lewis 9, Miss K 10.
Trader X has no relation
Mr.
to
Knife
Top Step
Art
X.
17. Straw Hat number 4. Andrew number 2.
Yes, Trader X and Top Step X are not related.
Was that Dirty Little Trader number 1?
Augie, Lewis, Polar Monkey, Prop Trader. I don't see anybody really running away with it. Andrew, Team Massive, Jader, Skeletor, Aniket. I'm calling out the points. Miss K, Lewis, Mr. Knife Art, Mikey, Skeletor, Oh, that was a big rush. Couldn't call them all out. We got a four-way tie. Okawifics.
Guys, this
Taking the
week's
lead.
games for Bullinox, 50K account.
Okawifics looks like it's going to take it.
If you're not familiar with Bullinox, check them out. They with 89% sale right now.
Okawifics just went back in.
Reoccurring on the sale. So if you don't win the game, you can always head over to their website, pick up a few accounts.
Oh, it's so close.
Use
Polar
code
Monkey by 1 point.
Use code Omnius and code Floor. Grab you a few accounts. They're like $18 right now.
Never mind. Bangs wrote, never mind. Both Straw Hat Man and Leonardo didn't even write giveaway. Okay, well, you writing it down?
I am. I'm noticing that this guy and the last guy are both FX.
Oh, yeah. 39 points. Write down the score.
You can't tell me to write down the score.
Please. Malaya. Mala.
You remember the first one?
49, I think, or 45. You know what? You're new, Mala. We always do something for people who are new. Leonardo. Oh, now you guys are all coming together. We're going to give you all an extra ball. All of you. Because you're new and we always do something for new people. Straw Hat. Straw Hat 2. Who else do we got? Leonardo. Lee. Oh, wait. I gave you one already, Leonardo. All right, you're in here. I don't want to give you 3. I don't want to make that mistake. Leonardo 2. And who was the other one? Mala. We'll just go with Mala.
Malachi.
We'll go with Mala and Malachi. Doesn't matter. We'll know who you are. 33 players loaded. Nobody's going to get an advantage. Remember, 5 points. 5-point profit. 3-point stop loss. The winner qualifies, moves to the finals tomorrow. Burst. Much easier to take profits in this game than it is in the markets. Tate Aldridge leading the pack early on. He's not going to hold it probably. Trader X. Ms. K. Prop Trader. Team Massive. Team Massive, you're not really doing too well, eh?
Mala at 30. Caster 25.
Oh, look at you, Mala, eh?
Miss K 13, 16.
Ms. K just went in. Miss K just went in twice.
Miss K up to 11, up to 7. Miss K, you're in the right direction. Miss K number 3. Get it, Miss K.
She's floating around, going into the pit. No, she hit the...
Who else we got?
boy.
Mr. Knife Art, 13.
I'm watching
Mikey,
Miss
number
K.
19.
In the pit. Where is she? She's there on that side.
Where's Lewis at? Lewis, where you at?
No, that's DLT. Mr. Knife Art. Who do we got in the lead? Miss K! Boom, boom, boom. Oh, Andrew took it. Miss K, you got 31 seconds. I don't know where you are. You're falling. You're falling. You stopped out a few times, probably. All the way down to 9th from first place. Woo! You're going to need to really...
Mike did it again? No, he put you in the game. Mike, where's Lewis at?
Down below. Andrew Barley, 54 points. It doesn't scroll down, but here he is. Don't worry, Lewis. Here, look at this. There's no way I missed. I shaved my head if you're not in there. Not sure if I want to make that promise. Write it down, Andrew Barley. Click on the players list. There you go, right at the top. You see, just over Mikey. There you go. Lewis. See there? Under DLT. Now, there's no way I missed it this time.
So what is it? It only goes down to 20. You can't scroll down on the name chart?
Yeah, on the points I can't. See this? There was 33 players and only 20 are displayed. The scroll bar is not working. I grab it, it doesn't work. It's not working. It's not working. Oh well, I already clicked. Everyone's got reset to 0.
You know what would be cool? You know what would be cool?
He was there. He was there, right there.
Be cool. Where's Lewis right there?
Number 12. That's what I said.
Oh, he's right there, number 12.
Oh, okay. There you go.
Lewis, you're number 12.
Yeah, no, it was there. Like I said, right under DLT and above Mikey on the player name setup.
Anyways,
I didn't miss it this time.
Be cool if you could click on the name on it left there and then highlight the ball. If you could click on it and the ball turns orange or something.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
That sounds like a lot of work.
I don't know.
I thought I win already. You tried. Starman. Strawman. Straw Hat.
Who?
Straw Hat thought he won already.
When?
I don't know. Ask him.
I am.
Oh. Omnius is asking you a question. Control, copy. So, who's in the finals on Friday? Give me the winners from today. Omnius. Andrew Barley, I'll write him in.
Anikit FX.
Anikit FX. And?
Okiv FX.
Let me see how that was spelled.
OCKEVEFX.
OCKEVFX. 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 You thought you went in the pit already. You did. You probably went in the pit many times, Straw Hat. It's 5 points. The winner won with 54 points. He went in the pit 11 times. You go in the pit, you get shot back out again. You gotta score points. You gotta accumulate points.
Mike, I wonder if it still says winner when you go into the pit. Maybe that's what he's seen.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
Here, this isn't the game, but you'll see there's no, when you see nothing when you go in the pit. Just stop loss gets shown.
All right.
Okay. That was fun. As always. And Omnius, take it away.
Guys, Bullinox 50K account giveaway tomorrow for all the people that qualified. May do a qualifier tomorrow, may not. We'll decide. Appreciate you guys for hanging out. If you don't win the account, Bullinox is 89% off. Go by there. Grab you a few accounts, like $18. Also, Apex, 90% off. Go by, grab you a few accounts, they're like $18, $20. Use code Omnius, use code FLOOR. Get you your best discount. Appreciate you guys. See you in the chat later on in the evening. If you want to come hang out with us, 9:30. And see you tomorrow morning. Later, guys. Mike?
Later, guys.
The trading is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. The trading day is done, the charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned, and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow, chasing profits right. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Stream's ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end.